Murphy's Law, coined by Edward Murphy, an American aerospace engineer, states that anything that can go wrong will go wrong. Murphy's Law is proven in labor-intensive companies every day, as problems emerge at unprecedented speed. And when they remain unsolved, manufacturing hell happens. A study conducted by the International Society of Automation estimated that industrial companies lose nearly $650 billion every year due to disruptions in safety, quality, downtime, and delivery. Once failure happens, the result can vary from severe to catastrophic, shutting down an entire factory, leaving the company unable to fulfill shipments, losing contracts, missing crucial sales windows, and more. Fighting fires every day burns out your workforce, perpetuating people turnover and low engagement. At Andonix, our mission is to improve industrial frontline workers' lives and deliver substantial business benefits. Connecting and engaging your workforce is critical to react, contain, and prevent disruptions. But achieving the proper engagement levels in labor-intensive companies can be challenging. Organizations are like an iceberg, where executives can only see the very tip. Sydney Yoshida's study proves that frontline workers are aware of 100% of an organization's floor problems. Supervisors are aware of only 74%. Middle managers are aware of only 9%. And senior executives are aware of only 4% of the problems. It is critical that employees are fully engaged in identifying and solving problems quickly, especially with a large, widely dispersed frontline workforce. That is where Smart Workstation and OnCord comes in. Our solution enables frontline workers to establish and maintain vital mobile digital connections with their management, work, and connected assets. We help our clients leverage those connections to build anomaly detection with event-based automation, to contain and prevent problems while protecting and creating new value. In simple terms, every worker has access to a digital Andon or hotline to ask for help and support. Connected machines and sensors can trigger Andon events automatically when an anomaly is detected. Teams have complete mobile access to digital training programs and automated workflows, enabling the workforce to transfer knowledge and drive engagement while building powerful analytics to predict, prevent, and prescribe continuous improvement to their operations. Committing to smart anomaly detection, contention, and prevention can augment employee engagement and create new value for all stakeholders. High levels of problem solving can ultimately deliver substantial improvements in overall business ROI by improving quality, safety, delivery, and equipment uptime. Andonix is a mission-critical partner for businesses that want to stay connected with their workforce and solve and prevent problems with unprecedented speed.